Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and my husband and I love to live an active lifestyle. And we really love these DEVOPS active shirts for men. The reason why we chose these shirts was the material. It's quick dry, it's light, it's cool. It offers great coverage, which is so important for us because our favorite activity is hiking. Especially when you're doing a long trail, that means you're going to be out in the sun for so many hours, particularly during the hottest part of the day. So it's so important to make sure you are wearing a shirt that is going to allow you to have the mobility and also keep you cool and well covered. And the long sleeves and the hood provides that for my husband. So being prepared and wearing the right equipment is crucial. They let you have great mobility, stay cool, and protected from the sun, which are all so important when you love exploring the great outdoors. And that's my point of view.